Dear Chartered Accountants, working professionals and students in the domains of Indian auditing, accounting and the tax and regulatory space, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing Chartered Accountant. Daily news and updates for 19th July 2023. CBIC, via circular dated July 17, 2023, has issued clarification on charging of interest in cases of wrong availment of IGST credit and reversal thereof. It has been clarified that in the cases where IGST credit has been wrongly availed and subsequently reversed on a certain date, there will not be any interest liability if during the time period starting from such availment and up to such reversal, the balance of ITC in the electronic credit ledger under the heads IGST, CGST and SGST taken together has never fallen below the amount of such wrongly availed ITC, even if available balance of IGST credit in electronic ledger individually falls below the amount of such wrongly availed IGST credit. However, when the balance of ITC under the heads IGST, CGST and SGST of electronic credit ledger taken together falls below such wrongly availed amount of IGST credit, then it will amount to the utilization of such wrongly availed IGST credit, and the extent of utilization will be the extent to which the total balance in electronic credit ledger under heads IGST, CGST and SGST taken together falls below such amount of wrongly availed IGST credit and will attract interest. It has also been clarified that credit of compensation cess available in electronic credit ledger cannot be taken into account while considering the balance of electronic credit ledger for the purposes of calculation of interest. CBIC, via circular dated July 17, 2023, has issued a clarification on the taxability of shares held in a subsidiary company by the holding company. It has been clarified that the activity of holding of shares of a subsidiary company by the holding company per se cannot be treated as supply of services by a holding company to the said subsidiary company and cannot be taxed under GST. CBIC, via circular dated July 17, 2023, has issued clarifications on various issues relating to GST refunds. It has been clarified that the refund of accumulated ITC shall be restricted to the ITC as per those invoices, the details of which are uploaded by the supplier in Form GSTR 1 and are reflected in Form GSTR 2A of the applicant. The applicants must give an undertaking electronically along with the refund claim that they undertake to pay back the government the amount of refund sanctioned along with interest in case it is found subsequently that the requirements of the Act have not been complied with in respect of amount refunded. Further, clarifications have also been given for the manner of calculations of adjusted total turnover in relation to export of goods and services. CBIC, via circular dated July 17, 2023, has issued clarification regarding the taxability of services provided by an office of an organization in one state to the office of that organization in another state, both being distinct persons. Various amnesty schemes for non-filers of GSTR 4, GSTR 9 and GSTR 10 have been extended till August 31, 2023. The original deadline for these schemes was June 30, 2023. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.